English learners, prepositions can be tricky, especially when it comes to at, in, and on. Today we are going to test your knowledge with a fun multiple choice quiz. Are you ready to master these little words? Let's jump right in. First, let's quickly review. We use at for specific locations like at the office. We use in for enclosed spaces or when talking about being inside something like in the kitchen. And we use on when we talk about surfaces like on the table. Got it? Great. Now it's time to test your skills. Alright, here's your first question. I'll meet you dash the park. A. At. B. In. Or C. On. Think carefully. The correct answer is A. At. You meet someone at a specific location like a park. Next question. The book is dash the table. A. At. B. In. Or C. On. What do you think? And the answer is C. On. When something is resting on a surface, we use on, so the book is on the table. Next up, I live dash New York City. A. At. B. In. Or C. On. The right answer is B. In. We use in when talking about cities, countries, or enclosed spaces. How about this one? She is dash the phone right now. A. At. B. In. Or C. On. The correct answer is C. On. When someone is using a device like a phone, we say on the phone. Last question, you're doing great. The keys are dash the drawer. A. At. B. In. Or C. On. And the answer is B. In. Since the keys are inside the drawer, we use in. Great job, everyone. How did you do? Let me know in the comments how many you got right. And be sure to like and subscribe for more English quizzes and lessons. Thanks for watching and see you next time.